My baby. Oh, you're gonna pull my shorts off, little bear. Hey, 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 come on. Come here. That's my boy. Hi, Bear. Hey, Bear. Oh, boy. Come over here and sit with Daddy. That's my bear. Hey, Bear. Come here. Come here. What's your favorite thing, Daddy? Gotta go to the store tomorrow. Come on. He's my pretty boy. He's a bear. He's a big bear. Bear, you growing up, baby. Yes, you are. You growing up, my pretty boy. It's a daddy boy. Here, come here, baby. Yes. You love their peanuts, don't you? Look at your bear growing up, baby. Big boy now. I don't know where Whitey's been. Been quite a few nights and I haven't seen him, but this little guy, this is my bear. Come here, my bear. Come here, my bear. Yes, that's Daddy's bear. Keep in mind, little bear is a wild animal. Little bear doesn't live in the house. He does his own thing. But little bear loves me. Look at the bear. Oh, hold on. Don't pull the shorts off. Here, sweetie. But Daddy always keep peanuts for me. There you have it. My handsome little bear. Such a good boy.